welcome to my crib. This is my big house. Take a look inside. We're gonna start to my luggage. Look at that. I have 2 Louis, and this is money, and the money is nothing. You see that? And I wanna open a beer right now. Because I'm a fucking faggot. Look at this computer. I have everything that the heart can reach. It's Rolex, Louis Vuitton, Coke, Arla, and Abercrombie & Fitch and stuff like that. And this is I just got this from my grandmom. Very sweet of her. And something to say to the last. I have Christmas tomorrow. I hold Christmas tomorrow. Therefore, I will open this one. It's Christmas the 45. Yeah, 45. That's the normal Christmas time. You reach the goal, okay? Therefore, take a look closer here, because I'm gonna open the present right now. I don't know what is inside, but I can take a look. And by the way, it's from Hinge's house, and that's my father's store in Venø. Oh. It's so exciting. Oh no, it's a fucking wealth. Oh my god. It's fine, but I've expected some more, like storm fashion. But it's okay, 800. It's fine. To the next, we have my speakers right here, and they're ready to play some fucking music. Okay, so turn up that bitch. Now I just messed up the music. Yeah, thanks for today. See you in the next video. Whoa, goodbye.